Hi, I'm Kervin, and behind me is the Ameson old office and the factories building.
We established in 2006 through 18 years of development, and following the principles of stability, innovation, integrity, and gratitude, we have now become the leading enterprise in Chinese packaging industry.
Okay, follow our camera. Let's take a look at the Ameson new industrial park, which was completed this year.
There are 4 buildings with a total area of 50,000 square meters, which were completed with 1 year. So currently, the production of Ameson has once again expanded.
Now my location is the entrance of the park. Please follow me to know us more. Here is the first floor of number 2 building, the film blowing workshop. All air cushion film begin with this process. Here is the film making workshop. Monthly output 1,200 tons. Not only high production, but also high efficiency and high quality.
We do the most careful testing of all products, all staff loyalty and responsibility to make each product to the best to provide customers with the greatest guarantee of quality.